Hinduism. Some Hindus believe in the coming of a future avatar of Vishnu, known as Kalki, who is expected to appear at the end of the current age, Kali Yuga, to restore righteousness and end the cycle of time. Krishna, an avatar of Vishnu, is already a revered figure in Hinduism, and some sects believe he will return in a different form. Buddhism. Many Buddhists believe in the coming of Maitreya, the future Buddha who will appear when the teachings of the current Buddha, Siddhartha Gautama, have been forgotten. Maitreya is expected to teach the pure Dharma and achieve enlightenment, bringing a new era of peace and prosperity. Judaism. In Judaism, the coming of the Messiah, Moshiach, is a central tenet. The Messiah is believed to be a future Jewish king from the Davidic line who will be anointed to rule the Jewish people, bring them back to Israel, and usher in an era of peace and divine justice. Islam. Many Muslims believe in the coming of the Mahdi, a figure who will appear before the Day of Judgment to restore justice and true Islam. The Mahdi is often expected to rule alongside Jesus, Isa, when he returns, with Jesus defeating the false Messiah, Dajjal, and establishing peace. Christianity. Christians believe in the second coming of Jesus Christ, who is expected to return to earth at the end of time to judge the living and the dead. His return is associated with the final fulfillment of God's kingdom, bringing eternal peace and justice.